Welcome to the KBCC Garage.
Welcome to the KBCC Garage. I'm Mark Atwood. I just wanted to announce that the KBCC Garage is joining the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators, or USACC's 2022 group build, starting September 15th. Our founder, Cliff Kissyboy Smith, has decided to purchase a 1970 Plymouth GTX, then turn it loose on us in the shop here to create the build, and that's with a deadline of January 15th of 2023. I'm sure we can get it done. We just need to get the car in the shop. Then the fun can really happen. I'm sure to get here in good time. The sellers seem fair and honest. But then when we get it here, we have to decide what we're going to do with it. No doubt about it. I have a few ideas, but we'll have to see what condition it arrives in. That's for sure, partner. Now, we've seen several other shops getting involved in the build. Fred Henry at West Georgia Rods and Customs, Matthew at Model Car Videos, Jason at Blue Ox Model Shop, Lucas C at Lucas C Channel on YouTube. You are correct, Frank. And then we got Tim at Throttle Power, and of course, Hobby Dude 007 Mark Batson, who's also the one who picked the 1970 Plymouth GTX or Roadrunner as the build subject. And there will be several more builders throwing down in this group build as well. Now, we are excited and delighted to get our build on, along with these other amazing shops and builders. We plan to have build updates from right here at the KBCC Garage, or from the bench of Kissyboy Smith himself. Well, that's all the time we have. Appreciate you tuning in to the KBCC Garage, and we're really looking forward to giving you updates on this build. Definitely no doubt about it. Well, here's a few pictures of what we're thinking of doing with this here build. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Stay tuned for more. You reckon you can let me drive it after we finish building?